Hello my dear students. So today we are going to learn about SOP5, use of audio or web page using HTML5. So what is the main use of audio in web page? So my dear student, the audio tag is used to embed sound content in a document such as music or other audio streams. The audio tag contain one or more source tag with a different audio source. The browser will choose the first source it supports. So whatever you are using audio in your web page, that immediately impact on the user mind, because sound make a multiple changes in the mind while you are listening that sound. Okay, for that purpose we are going to use audio in HTML. Okay, so basically HTML5 features include native audio and video support with the need of flash. Okay, need for the flash. Basically the HTML5 audio tag make it simple to add to a website. Yes my dear students, you need to set source attribute to identify the media source and include a control attribute so the user can play and pause the media. Okay, so in this question, question mentioned that create a website name audio.html to set the audio file in the web page with controls such that it use HTML5 elements. The audio file must play as soon as the web page loads in browser, and it will start over again every time when it is completed. Okay my dear students, so this is the first file. Okay, in the question again they are mentioning create another web page named audio1.html. So basically we have to create two audio files. First name is audio.html and for second name is audio1.html, which provides multiple source file formats for the same audio file that play a sound automatically with the controls. The browser should display the message with the appropriate attribute when audio file is not supported by the browser. The code must incorporate the list of sound file format like WAV, MP3 or OGG, etc. So my dear students, in this question whatever is important, okay, I make it in a bold form. Okay, so you will easily that whatever change you wanted to do in this program. Okay, so now we start with the coding. एकदम सिंपल कोडिंग है, ओनली टू लाइंस. Skeleton HTML head title, we close head title tag, we close head tag, then we open a body tag. It's a basic thing. Now three main changes. Okay, we are taking h1 is align is equal to center, and we provide the statement audio with control. First file is a with control. Okay, audio controls autoplay loop is equal to 1, and so source src is equal to song.mp3, type is equal to audio mp3. Okay, only we need to change in this format. Okay, whatever song you prefer, whether you are using mp3 or in the question they are mentioning you are using mp3 wave or OGG, etc. So this program is only with the with control attribute. Okay, user have a control on it. Okay, solution audio.html. Okay, audio with the controls. Okay, you can see here button. Okay, if you want to make us you if you want to stop the music, you can just click on that, so that it's called as a with control attribute. Okay, so only three lines changes in this feature. Yes my dear students. Okay, now second program as per the question. Okay, they are mentioning that in this question here they are mentioning that in audio html audio 1.html. Okay, provide multiple source file format for the same file. Get it, that plays a sound automatically with rules. using multiple sound files, okay, with control. In above we are just play audio with control in one single file format, that is mp3 sound file. In the second program we are going to use multiple sound format. For that purpose, simple description over here. After the body tag we use h1 align is equal to center, multiple audio file with the control, okay. Then h2 just specify to the text between the audio tag will only be displayed in the browser that do not support the audio element. List of sound file format, then we are using whatever file format we are going to use. We can we can make a list in a OL format to make understand to the user, okay, and for students especially, okay, because they are mentioning you are going to use multiple file format. So we are using mp3, OJ and wave. We close that OL tag, then audio control autoplay, and here again we are using source src is equal to dot wave, type is equal to audio wave, source src is equal to dot mp3, type is equal to audio mp3, source src is equal to OJ, type is equal to audio OJ, okay. Then just we put one sentence, your browser does not support the audio element, and we close audio tag, okay, body tag and html tag. Yes my dear students, here we are opening that audio tag and we close here that audio tag. Yes, clear. Simple changes in html5, that we are using multiple source file, okay, for one audio. This is the main example, or this is the main purpose of multiple audio file format, okay. Here I am not going to mention that specific name of the sound file. Just you put sound.wave, sound.mp3, sound.oj, whatever sound file you will download, or you will search, you make it download, okay, and according to that you just put that file name with the extension. But here most important part is that the same sound need to be used in three format. Yes my dear students, I hope you understand. So here is your output of your audio file format, multiple audio file format. I hope you understand what I wanted to explain here, okay. So now you can, I take some pause for you and take a screen, okay. Now for the program, okay, you can take a screenshot. Okay, my dear student. So basically what happened, no, the current HTML5 draft a specification does not specify which audio format browser should support. Yes, of course, because many times browser couldn't support a specific audio file format, for example mp3 or wave, okay, in the audio tag. But mostly commonly used audio formats are OJ, mp3 and wave. So basically you prefer these three format, OJ, mp3 and wave file. Yes my dear students, okay, I hope you understand clearly, okay. Bye bye.